Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tackling my kitchen and finally decluttering one of those cabinets that has turned into a catch-all space. It is a complete disaster. I feel like every home has at least one of these where things just get tossed in and forgotten about. So today we're going to reset it together. I always like to start with the basics, just clearing off the counters and getting dishes taken care of. It's amazing how much better the whole kitchen feels just from doing this. Lately, I've been trying to focus more on simple resets instead of letting everything pile up and get overwhelming. It doesn't always happen, but when it does, it really makes a difference in the kitchen.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
There is something just satisfying about refilling these containers. I can't be the only one, right?
Side by side and through and through. you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in.
Cleaning used to feel overwhelming to me. I know I'm not the only one, but I've learned that doing a little at a time is so much more manageable.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can.
With one dog and 2 cats, sweeping is a everyday chore. Soon here, I'm going to be decluttering and organizing this cabinet. Do you guys have a drawer or cabinet in your house that you need to declutter and organize? Okay, so first I'm going to be taking everything out of this cabinet and seeing what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, and seeing if I could donate anything that's in there. And I also find some things that I've been looking for. There it is. I've been looking for this. As I go through this, I'm trying to be honest about what we actually use and what we actually don't use. If I haven't reached for it in like a month or two, it's probably time to let it go. I've been looking for these. Good God, we got so much stuff in here. Now that everything is out, I'm going to wipe everything down before putting anything back. All right, everything is done and this space feels so much better now. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you here, and I'll see you in the next one.